Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bugs Coins and welcome to the channel. Today we have a special crown issued in 1960. However, this was the stamp which the crown, the letter that's held the crown, had on it. So there we go. First one is and the area is actually in the Orkney Isles of Scotland. 68p stamp with the Queen's portrait on it. There's the envelope, here it is. And this is the coin. It's Queen Elizabeth II. It is a 1960 crown. So what's so special about a 1960 crown? Well, in 1960 we went across to the New York exhibition, and one of the things that we had available at that exhibition was this crown. There were 1,024,000 of them issued for the New York exhibition, and this is one of them. So there's only just over 1 million of them. And that is the way up. We have the 4 shields pointing into the centre. We have England, we have the 3 lines of England, the rampant line of Scotland, again 3 lines of England, and the Harp of Ireland. In between them we have the 4 emblems of flower emblems. So we have the rose, we have the shamrock, we have the leek, and we have the thistle from Scotland. The date 1960 is either side, 19 and 60 either side of the leek. As I say, this is a rare coin in the sense that the figures were quite small, they are quite small. There are less of these than there are of some of the coins that are minted today that we think of as low mintage. There's only 1,024,000 of them minted. So, do you have this coin in your collection? Is it one that you would think that you would want in your collection? The only thing there is one thing I haven't mentioned. The centre is the crown, the royal crown, the monarch's crown. So, as I said, do you like this coin and would you want it in your collection? Tell me in the comments below. I am trying to, this year, increase my subscription level. I'd like to hit 250 by the end of the year. I do have a good basis for going for the 250. Welcome back. My battery was exhausted, so I had to change it, so that's why there's a break in the video. As I was saying, if you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you are buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. And until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, thank you for watching, and from me, bye bye. Ta-da now.